This is the city. In recent decades, cities have been under constant pressure. Population growth, urbanization, climate change. Built-up areas are unable to withstand the high volumes of precipitation. Stormwater washes away dirt from concrete and asphalt, polluting lakes, rivers, and springs. Suspended solids, as well as nitrogen, phosphorus, bacteria, mineral oils, waste including plastics, pesticides, and heavy metals. All these degrade drinking water sources, the essence of our lives. The successful development of any city depends on its ability to manage water. That is why we must learn to collect, clean, and reuse water efficiently so that a city's growth is sustainable. ACO has been addressing these issues for many years and offers the most modern solutions. Let's take a look at some of these. This is an office and logistics center. It is divided into 3 different drainage zones. The first one is the roof. Water drains from the flat galvanized roof, polluted with organic materials, suspended solids, and heavy metals. The water enters storm clean. In the first step, the larger particles will be captured by integrated sedimentation. In the second step, the filter media removes small particles and dissolved heavy metals by means of a filtration and absorption. This treated water is drained into a retention tank. From here, the water can be used to flush toilets or to water the surrounding greenery. The rest of the water overflows to storm bricks and then enters the ground. The second zone is the logistics area. Impurities from tire abrasion, hydrocarbons, suspended solids, and heavy metals like zinc, copper, cadmium, and lead are flushed away by the first rain into the storm-set vortex hydrodynamic separator. More than 50% of all pollutants are removed here. Because water will be infiltrated, it requires additional treatment. Small-sized particles and dissolved metals are then removed in the Storm Clean technical filter. Eventually, water infiltrates into the soil via storm bricks. In case of very high precipitations, the water is drained via the storm-set vortex and can be overflowed to storm bricks and infiltrate into the soil. The third zone is the employee's car park. From this slightly less polluted area, water is drained into the storm-set horizontal sedimentation device, which separates suspended solids and light liquids. From there, the water drains into the storm bricks retention tank and through the ACO Q-brake vortex flow control to the river. This is a train station. It can be polluted with different types of pollutants, including suspended solids, heavy metal particles from car parks, or mineral oil from the trains. The first zone that needs to be drained is the parking area, which is polluted mainly by suspended solids, metals, and hydrocarbons. Precipitation flushes dirt from the cars and also from the surface of the parking lot into the gully combi point SSA, so the sediment is removed before entering the pipeline. The second zone is the train station itself. Here, water from the parking lot combines with water from the roof, which is polluted with organic materials and suspended solids. Water from the platform is polluted with organic material, suspended solids, and heavy metals bound to them, all of which flows through the underground piping system into the storm-set vortex. Here, the solid particles are removed from the water. The treated water continues into the storm bricks tank, where it is retained and infiltrates into the ground. This combination of infiltration and retention enables the installation of a smaller storm bricks tank. The overflow is discharged into the drainage using Q-brake. treated water can be released back into its natural environment. The third zone at the train station that requires drainage is the train wash. Wastewater full of oil and heavy metals is drained into the oil separator, which removes coarse particles and oil. Later, the microparticles, including the heavy metals, are filtered into the Storm Clean technical filter. The water is finally discharged into the sewer system. This is our innovative solution that helps cities in their sustainable growth by reducing the risks of flooding and protecting the environment from harmful pollutants. ACO, we care for water.